Okie doke. I have finished a big part of this widget shit. So check this out. The menus, each one of these has animations, so it changes what they look like when you hover over them. That way I can disable this blue shit. Actually, you know what? Ah, fuck it, whatever. I'll do it tomorrow, not yet, because I'm gonna have to re-enable it. So you start, check this. I'm gonna change this to a slider, because otherwise I have to implement a some sort of digital keyboard thing. Apparently on some game systems, you can, like, it'll automatically, like a Steam Deck or something might automatically pop up a digital thing and you can start typing, but it ain't doing nothing, bucko. So I got nothing for here, so I'm gonna just assume everybody's like that, so I don't want to force people to have to use a certain thing or anything. So one thing is I need to add feedback for actually pressing, because I'm clicking on them right now, but there's no feedback there, but they have been selected, so now we can go. There's only feedback on hovering right now. And if you click out, it's all safe, so it'll bring you back to that widget. Oh, I need to update that too. Fuck, I gotta do that for some other things. So that, like, if I click here, it doesn't always go to Team Deathmatch. Each one of these needs to go back to the one that you were last hovering, which isn't hard. I just have to implement that, which is kind of annoying, but not a big deal. So all the visuals work. I'm on just controller straight up. Don't have any hard time seeing anything. I updated this so you can see when you're updating it. And I also made it so, oh, it toggles like that. I didn't know that. You can only tell now because there's a toggle, a visual toggle when you activate it. So we're good and we're not. And now you can't go left, so you can't get stuck over, well, you weren't getting stuck, but you could go and access this editable text, which I can type shit in like this. But if I'm on console or whatever, then I want, oh, what the fuck am I doing? Oh, that is an interesting thing. Okay. So after I submit this, I should re-put focus somewhere else, because right now it gets stuck. If I go here, then I can't do anything else after. Oh, wait, wait. Yeah, you can. Never mind. You just have to go down. You can't go. So I can go right from here, but not. Interesting. Huh. Okay. Well, all right. I'll fix that later. Not a huge thing. And then these all work. So we've got, I can, oh shit, this is good. Oh wait, something bugged out. Not sure why. For some reason these buttons are not working. I don't know why. I have no idea when that happened. Amazing. Because these ones work, and the navigation looks good. You go here and then you go over and clear. Cool. I don't know why that's broken. I have no idea. Audio doesn't happen yet, but in controls I'm going to add another thing, so there'll be controller keybinds and then mouse keybinds. I have no clue why this part isn't working. So that is a thing for me to figure out tomorrow. But that's it. So I just went into each of these basically and just swapped all these out. I had to go in and find all the existing references of the previous buttons I was using, because they're all now my custom button. And then I had to go and find every instance of them. I had to find where they're being clicked, where they're being referenced, all that shit. Create new buttons and replace them, and then delete the old ones. And it was, I don't know, it was fun. Just took a while, so I probably spent like 20 hours on learning how to do this shit in the last 2 days. So, woohoo! I'm a controller support guy now. Let's go. I need to add these checkboxes, need to have visual stuff, because right now if the blue goes away, there's no way to tell that this is selected right now. So I might have to make a custom one, or I just committed the changes so I can check it really quick. What is it, checkbox or something? Yeah. What are the, has state changed? Oh, so that doesn't work. Damn. I might have to change it to something else, or I just make a custom checkbox. I mean, that's not hard. I think I'll just make a custom checkbox. So I'll have a bunch of custom components, basically, in my widgets folder. I'll have a bunch of little sub widget guys that whenever you overlap with them, whenever you focus them, I can do whatever I want with them. Because a lot of the things, for some reason, by default, like an input selector, for example, Can I just collapse everything? I wish I could. We're just going to look at the events. We only have this. We don't have stuff to happen on focus. So you have to create a whole totally separate widget and then go in and get the widgets on focus stuff added to focus. This is same shit. And then you call an event dispatcher. That way when you put this thing in another widget, you can then get that input, or well, you can then click on that widget. Let's say it's this, and then I can go and get the freaking call, or get the click, or get the on focus, get the on hovered, etc. So I can delete these changes now. Please? What is happening? Oh, I didn't make any. Really? Oh, I guess I did it while I was playing the game. I didn't actually fuck with anything. Okay. For tomorrow. Sick.